On, Micah? Oh, god damn it, Chris. Fuck.
What? What do you say? What?
Your stupid smoke alarm.
What?
It needs a battery replaced.
You can hear that?
Yes.
My smoke alarm isn't going off.
It's been going off ever since, what, fucking a week ago?
I haven't heard it.
I can hear it clear as day.
Do you have his
See,
mic turned
right
up?
there.
James.
What?
James.
What?
My smoke alarm isn't going off.
Uh, Chris, I know that. The notification that your battery is low, that's what's going off.
James, I'm telling you, it wouldn't be going off. If it was, I would hear it.
Oh, that's Ryan. Alright.
What?
You're the smoke alarm cunt.
But you said it's been going for a week.
It has. I've been hearing it.